Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time on HP 255. To do that, you have to hover over this date time icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, right click it and select adjust date and time. And in this menu you'll be able to change both the time zone and the time. To change the time zone you have to switch off this toggle and then select the time zone from the list, or if you want to find it automatically, switch it on, switch this function on. And now for the time it works in the very same way. We first have to switch off set time automatically function, and then we're gonna have to click change next to set date and time manually. Here we'll be able to use the scroll wheels to select the current date and current time respectively, and then click change to apply changes. However, I recommend only doing it if your date and time automatic date and time settings are showing you the improper date and time values. Otherwise it will changing date and time will restrict your or basically revoke your access to many different websites, because many different websites rely on your date and time and your time zone being set to correct values, especially websites like Google, related like YouTube, Gmail, etc. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.